Howdy! In this video, I am going to show you how to take the math placement exam step by step. Let's get started. Begin by logging into Howdy using your net ID and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Applicant tab and select Admissions. From the drop-down menu, choose Math Placement Exam. Carefully read the instructions for the math placement exam. For the rest of the video, I will refer to the math placement exam as the MPE. At the bottom of the page, you will find a link that you need to click on. We recommend using the latest version of Chrome as your browser for the math placement exam. You will be directed to the MPE platform called STEMify. Select TAMU as your institution. Your MPE will appear under the section labeled My Assessment. Please note that the MPE system automatically assigns the appropriate type of MPE based on your declared major. If you have been approved for extended time accommodations, you should see this in the title of your MPE. If you see a blank page or your MPE is not visible, it means you need to update your account. In such situations, please contact Math Assessment at math.tamu.edu for assistance. It is highly recommended that you access your MPE on the platform and verify its availability prior to your planned exam date, as updating your MPE account may take time. Click on Take Assessment to proceed. Read the assessment instructions carefully. If you feel prepared and ready to begin, click on Begin Assessment. From now, let me explain how to take the math placement exam. The problems shown in this demonstration are just examples, and your actual MPE problems will be different. You will see one problem at a time on the screen. The blue bar on top will show your assessment progress. The timer shows how much time you have remaining to complete the exam. You can click the Next button at the bottom to move on. You can also use the navigation bar on the right side of the screen. It allows you to choose which problems to work on. You can hide or open the navigation bar as needed. Depending on your device settings, you may want to change the text size on the screen. To control it, depending on your operating system, you can hold down either the Control key or the Command key on your keyboard, and then click the plus key or the minus key. There is also a pin option available. It lets you quickly go back to a specific problem by marking it. A warning: after submitting 33 answer choices, a window will pop up. Make sure you have completed everything before clicking the Submit button. If you have finished the entire assessment, you can click the button, Finish Assessment, located in the top right corner. Upon completing the exam, you will receive a score displayed as a percentage. For instance, if you answered 30 problems correctly, your score will be 91%. Similarly, if you answered 29 problems correctly, your score will be 88%. If you need any assistance with the STEMify platform, feel free to email support@stemify.ai for support. For more information about the math placement exam, please visit the website at www.math.tamu.edu/placement/. On the website, you can find general information as well as detailed information for incoming freshmen, transfer students, and current students. You can also find the list of majors that require a proctored MPE. If you have any questions or encounter any problems while taking the math placement exam, please let us know. You can contact us either by email at mathassessment@tamu.edu or by phone at 97945800015. We can't wait to see you in Aggieland. We're excited you chose to be an Aggie. Thanks and Gig'em.